Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Sony Earbuds blinking orange light. So, if you're interested, let's get started. So, in this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix if your Sony Earbuds has that annoying blinking orange light here? Well, there are going to be a few things that you need to consider and you need to do here. So, first thing that you want to do is you want to check the battery and the charge on it. So that blinking orange light most commonly means that in this case, your earbuds has a low battery. So first things first, you want to put the earbuds back into the charging case, and then use the original USB-C charging cable that came with them and plug it in. So let them charge for a bit, and the light should eventually stop blinking once they have enough power. Now, another thing that you may want to consider here is you want to make sure that the case is also clean. So if you do notice some dirt gathering in the contact points here, it's worth cleaning them out. Your earbuds may not be getting enough charge because of the dirt around it. And also, you may want to use a different USB-C cable if you can. So sometimes the original USB-C cable may be broken, so try using a different one and see if that actually helps charge your earbuds. But if it's still blinking, well, there's still a few things that you could try doing here. So in this case, if it's not charging properly, it's blinking, you may want to leave your earbuds out of the case for one whole day. So you want to make sure that you discharge the battery or the power completely from it until it's 100% dead. Then you want to go and just put them back in after a whole day of leaving them uncharged and just working, and from then on fully charge them. And sometimes draining and recharging it can solve a lot of issues here, so that actually resets the internal components of your earbuds. But if that doesn't solve your issue, well, in this case, sometimes the issue itself might be because of overheating or abnormal battery temperature here. So in this case, it's possibly a malfunction inside the earbuds. At that point, it's best to contact Sony support, and they can walk you through a service or other options they could go through with your earbuds. So if you bought this recently, then most likely you may be eligible for a replacement or a free consultation with a technician to get this fixed. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to End of the Inspo. Thank you for watching.